Welcome to Whale Devs, introducing the ultimate legal job experience, the hot dog vendor. Build your own street business and serve the city like never before. Your business, your location. Carry your stand anywhere across the city and set up shop wherever you think customers will come. With intuitive placement controls, position your stand with complete precision. Move it, rotate it, and place it exactly where you want. Open for business, interact with your stand, and begin attracting hungry customers from around the city. Every customer is fully configurable, from spawning behavior to appearance. Even the entire user interface color scheme can be customized directly from the config file. Take customer orders through a clean interaction system and prepare exactly what they've requested. Cook delicious hot dogs using our modern, immersive cooking interface. Designed to look great, with colors fully customizable to match your server. Need a refreshing drink? Prepare ice-cold cola using the same polished interface for a seamless gameplay experience. Accuracy matters. Deliver the wrong item and the deal is canceled instantly. Serve the correct order, satisfy your customers, and watch your business grow as the payments roll in. Serve the correct order, satisfy your customers, and watch your business grow as the payments roll in. When the day is done, simply pack up your stand and head home. Thank you for watching. All the links available in descriptions.